Now we're going to see how we can create a private sale on DxSale. Now the private sale is the protocol that you would use when you don't want to send liquidity into a decentralized exchange after the pre-sale. This is useful when you just want to get funds for marketing, for development. If you're doing a multi-raise on several IDOs, on several launchpads, you would use the private sale protocol that we have here on DxSale. How do we do that? It's very easy. Obviously, first of all, we come to dx.app. We want to connect our wallet. So here, top right corner, click on connect, choose your wallet. I have MetaMask. Now I have connected with this wallet before, so it's automatic. If this is your first time, you will get a pop-up window asking to confirm the connection. So click OK, go ahead. And now we come here to the top left corner, create, go to DxSale, and this is where we can create the private sale. So step number one, we select what launch type we want. We have 4 different types of protocols to raise funds. As we mentioned, we're looking at private sale, so click here. The token information, this is where we put either the address of our own token, or if it's already in our wallet, as you can see, it auto-populates here and we can just choose which one we want. And it auto-populates the information about the token. If you don't have a token yet, or if you want to not use the token that will be the official token for the pre-sale, you can just click here and this will direct you to DX Mint. You can create a token for this private sale. But in this case, I'm going to use this test fee PIP token that I made a few days ago. Total supply 1 million. Now we scroll down and this is where we enter the information about the private sale itself. So as you can see, we have a template with 3 different types that you can choose automatically. Low cap gem, mid raise, long-term raise. Now if you click on these ones, again it auto-populates with settings already. And you can see here that it changes. But let's say that you don't want to do that, you want to choose your own settings. Let's go through these one at a time. So private sale rate. Now, this is the rate at which the contributors can buy your tokens for 1 native token. So I'm on the Ethereum testnet. Let's pretend that I'm on the actual Ethereum net or blockchain. How many tokens? In this case, how many of my test fee PIP tokens will they get if they spend 1 Ethereum? My supply here was 1 million, so I think 50,000 would be a good number. So if they contribute 1 Ethereum, they will get 50,000 of my tokens. Now vesting. This is vesting of the funds that I am receiving as the person or the project that is doing the private sale. Now, if I don't want to vest any percentage, any of the funds that I'm receiving, I would just put here 0%. But I might decide, for example, to tell my my community, hey guys, I'm going to set aside 50% of whatever you're sending me. If you know all the Ethereum that you guys are sending, 50% I'm going to vest. I'm going to do 12 lots of vesting and a duration of 30 days each vesting time or each vesting period. This is where you would do this, okay? But so just remember, this is your funds that you are vesting. Whatever Ethereum you had received, or BNB, or Core, whatever the native coin is, you would set here if you want to vest it. Now in my case, I want 100% of all the funds that I'm getting. So I'm putting 0 here. I don't want any of the funds to be vested. I need all these funds for marketing, for development, so I'll just choose 0. This is an example, you choose what makes sense to you. Now here, the minimum contribution, what is the minimum amount of Ethereum that they can contribute. 0.03, that's fine, or we could do 0.025. What is the maximum? Let's go with 0.5 Ethereum, so half Ethereum. And then you would choose the soft cap and the hard cap. So let's go with the soft cap, we want 5 Ethereum, and hard cap, we want 20 Ethereum. Actually, with this rate, as you can see, it exceeds the total supply. So let me just, so either I would put this down, the private sale rate, or I would put the hard cap down. Let's go down with the hard cap, 15 Ethereum hard cap, that works. And you can see the distribution here, okay? Now, when you see this in terms of the distribution, and you see the 1.5 platform, please bear in mind that this is not over the total supply. So the platform, we only take the fee, success fee, over what you are selling here, not over your total supply. And now here, the start time, when do we want to start this? Let's say that we want to start next Monday at the same time, that's fine. So click on OK. We can choose here 1 week, 1 month, or 1 year. Why don't we just click here 1 week? Actually, that referred to that. So yeah, 1 week from now, and end time. Let's just go. If that worked, 2/5/26. Let's just do it by hand. It's I'm getting confused. Or that is. Let's go with Sunday, the 5th, and here we go on the Sunday, the 12th. There you go. But yeah, if you want to just not do it manually, you can just click on the intervals here. And now the project information, very quickly, we can put a logo here. So you would browse or just drag and drop, both for the logo and the banner. So this is where the logo is, and this is the banner, and it will automatically upload here. And then of course the website link, as well other links such as YouTube, Twitter or X, GitHub, Reddit, Telegram, and Discord, and a description. Now, very interesting here, we have other features that will be available after the pre-sale is created. So we're going to have a look at those later. But once you're happy with everything, if you have a referral code here, you can use it. You can see the fee to create the private sale. We charge only $100 to create the private sale. If you're happy, just click on Create Private Sale. And now the wallet will ask to confirm the transaction. And you will have to click Confirm. And now we just have to wait for the transaction to be confirmed on the blockchain. Remember, this is a test. I'm using the Ethereum testnet, Sepolia, but there you go. So now it has worked. And as you can see now, I'm on my dashboard. It asks me first thing, please deposit the tokens that are required for the private sale. Otherwise, obviously, I cannot do that. So I would click here and I would have to deposit the tokens. You can see all the specifics about the pre-sale and the project. When the private sale is starting, so 11 days from now, we would have to exclude the sale address from fees as well. Remember, my token was a fee token. If I don't exclude the pre-sale address, which is here, the private sale address, everyone that is buying, even when I actually deposit the tokens, I would be charged a fee. And everyone that is buying from the pre-sale contract would be charged a fee or a tax. So we need to click on exclude. So the very first two things we need to do: deposit the tokens, exclude the sale address from fees or taxes. We don't charge anything for this. You will just be charged a gas fee transaction from the blockchain. And of course, if you want to add other bits and pieces, like for example KYC, you would click here. This directs you to our Telegram group where you can do that. You can get a free tweet because you're using DxSale. And as we go here down into the dashboard, we can see more features. Obviously, we can do this later on as far as the claim, the lock token claim raised funds, the sale settings. This is what I wanted to show you. So this is a new feature that we have, and is the affiliate earning. This is incredibly powerful because no matter what fundraising protocol you have chosen, you can enable affiliate earning. So this means that anyone who connects his wallet to DxSale that comes to your pre-sale or private sale can generate an affiliate link and then go outside, go on social media, advertise your sale, and when people buy using that link, those people, the referrer, will get a percentage of the funding, of the contribution. The incredible thing with DxSale is that those funds will get into the wallet of the referrer immediately, and no one else does that. So it doesn't matter if the sale is not successful, it doesn't matter if that contributor later changes his or her mind, the referrer immediately gets the percentage of the contribution. So this is incredibly powerful. You can really generate a lot of interest and a lot of people referring your sale by using that. So how do we do that? Well, simply just choose the affiliate percentage. You can go from 1% to 10%. I choose 10% because I think that the higher the rate, the more chances I've got of people really pushing my sale. And just click on enable. And then again, you will be asked to confirm the transaction. Click on confirm and you're done. Just have to wait a few seconds again for the confirmation. And once that is confirmed, then as it just happened now, just click on that and you will see that there you go. Referrers now get 10% of each contribution they bring in. And then of course here you can also choose to get all the contributors and their tokens to be vested. It's something that some contributors, some investors like, some don't. That's up to you, but you can do that here. You can change that here, and you can upload a whitelist of wallets that you want, the only ones you want to be able to contribute to your sale. And you can enable and disable this one at any time. And then again, you can upload, update your logo, your banner, your link, and your information here if you need to do that. And in that case, you would click on update private sale data. So it's actually quite easy once you have a look at all these features that we've got. But if you have any extra questions that we haven't covered here in the tutorial, or perhaps you're not 100% sure, please contact us on Telegram, come to the main group, and if we don't already have a private group for your project, we will make one, and we will support you and help you with all these questions if you have them, and how to use these features. But yeah, the affiliate earning is incredibly powerful. It's a great tool that only DxSale has. The way that this works, where affiliate referrers get their money straight away. So we think that this will be a great tool for you to make sure that you fill your private sale. But yeah, once again, thank you so much for watching the tutorial. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to come to our social media and ask us.